Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I hope everybody had a great Christmas celebration, and let's go back to the Toyota maintenance, service and repair. And in this video let's do something what everybody can do, right? Cabin air filter. It's so easy, there's no reason to pay anybody to replace it for you. I believe everybody can do it by themselves. So let's go see if it's true. And in my case, I returned to my shop to work on 2004 Toyota Camry LE. Well, where the cabin filter was located, and I said was because this one, when I did inspection, was so dirty that I had to throw it away immediately. Well, it's always in these cars behind the glove box. So let's go see together how we can get there. Normally, right here will be some kind of shock which slows down opening of this glove box. But as you can see, it's missing there. So I can actually go ahead without dealing with it, and I just push these two sides. I push them inside, right, in the same time, like so, and the glove box nicely goes down. And as you can see, right behind it, that white part which you see there, let me lower the glove box stuff, that's a cabin air filter housing. And that should have that cabin air filter in it. Here are two tabs. Do you see it? You do. So 1 and 2. I push them also inside this way, right? And I'm able to grab this tray, right? And it's empty because, as I said, the filter was so nasty, I got rid of it already. So let's go and install the new one inside. Now, why I'm saying I will show you something what everybody can do? Well, because depending where you shop, you can buy this filter for approximately $15 to $20, right? And depending who is your service, you might be paying between like $25 to $45 for someone to replace it for you. So why to do that? Why to waste money, right, when you don't have to? So let me just check the camcorder that everything is nicely visible. Yes, here you can see the airflow, right? Always pay attention to that, that's important. In this case that goes down, and I will carefully paying attention to the details. Here are these tabs, right? It will go under. I will carefully put this filter in. Look at it, right? I don't want to scratch the paint of the car, so I'll be careful, not pushing on it. Come on, baby. And look at that. New cabin air filter installed in its tray. So let's go and put it together back in the car. So I will be holding the camcorder with the left hand. Now let's go and see the easiness, right? So as I took it out, it's even easier to put it in. You just nicely push it and it will click. These both sides will click there. Listen to it. Yeah, it was more like different sound, but yeah, it's secure, right? It will not go back out, and we have that. Now all I have to do, since I'm missing this shock, right, which is actually there, look, this is the thing, we will install it back, because it should, oh yeah, it's doing its work. We will hook it back. So first you grab that whole glove box. You see these things, these actually will pop in. And here, let me move that shock out with a different hand. Here you see it coming. I need to put it up here on top of it, and what somebody lost, there was a little screw, right, which will hold it from falling off. So let's go and get it for this owner. Here you can see what I meant. It's really just a little screw. I have plenty of them around, right, so I will put it on my Phillips screwdriver, and look at it. I will put it there, and that will make sure that that shock, that arm, doesn't fall off. And basically right now, carefully tight it, right, not over tight it, it's just a plastic. Right now I can grab the stuff which was in the glove box. So everything is back in the glove box, and I can nicely close it. We are done. And this owner can again enjoy the fresh air in the cabin. I'm pretty confident that you agree it will be waste of money to pay someone to do it for you. It's so easy. So please make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way soon. And if I don't catch you before end of the year, Happy New Year 2020 to you. See ya.